In a quiet hilltop village, the mist wraps the mornings like a soft blanket. Everyone knew Grandmother Amaka, the oldest woman in the valley. Her hair was as white as mountain snow, and her eyes sparkled with a secret. Children whispered she spoke to stars, merchants claimed she found water where none existed. But when asked about her gift, Amaka simply smiled and offered a cup of tea. One summer, a terrible drought swept through the village. Rivers shrank, crops withered, and fear gripped the villagers' hearts. They tried everything, yet nothing seemed to work. Then, a brave young girl named Nia stepped forward. She asked Grandmother Amaka if she could help. Amaka studied their faces and finally smiled, saying, "The gift you seek is hidden where few think to look. Each villager must bring one small stone and a seed from home." Puzzled, but desperate, the villagers obeyed Amaka's instructions. They followed her to a dry hillside and dug a large pit. Into the pit, they poured their stones, creating a rough basin. Then, one by one, they scattered their seeds inside. Amaka instructed them, "Tomorrow, we will return." That night, a rare storm rumbled across the valley. Rain fell, filling the stone basin with a shimmering pond. Amaka dipped her hands into the pond, revealing that her true gift was the wisdom of togetherness. From that day, the villagers remembered the power of unity, a treasure in every heart.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment for more videos.